Welcome to this course on mind mapping and Xmind. In reality, it's a bit of a challenge to explain the benefits of mind mapping in such a short intro, but I'll give it a go. Firstly, a quick definition of mind mapping. Mind maps are a non-linear visual outline of complex information that can aid creativity, organization, productivity, and memory. Mind maps graphically show ideas in a relational context, with the main topic at the center of the map and major subtopics on branches radiating out from the main topic. Imagine the map of a city, starting at the center, maybe the main square, and then lines of communication, roads and railways radiating out into different areas of the city. The financial district, the arts and theatre area, the museums, the main shopping street, the main eating area, maybe a big park. Each of those areas are entities in themselves and have their own communication lines and relationships between them. Within each area, say you'd call it a subtopic in mind mapping, like the eating area, there may be other bundles like the Chinese or Italian or Mexican restaurant clusters. So often, if we try to explain to someone where something is, especially in a city, eventually we'll go, "Hold on, let me show you on a map." It's because our brains understand and remember stuff better when they have a context and a relationship and are part of a bigger picture. In a nutshell, it means that mind maps are a great way of noting stuff down that your brain finds natural and easy to understand and assimilate, and particularly to communicate with others. Going back to the definition briefly, the four key components of mind mapping benefits are creativity, organization, productivity, and memory. I would challenge anyone to state that they wouldn't benefit from an improvement in at least one of those in their daily lives. So if you ask, who is mind mapping for, it's pretty much everyone. Here are a few ways that mind mapping can help you. It can boost your memory. It can help you with clear and concise planning. It helps you concentrate, organize your thoughts, clarify your thoughts, and communicate your thoughts. To study and learn faster, to see and understand the whole picture, to save trees, well, the software version anyway, increased creativity, to communicate better, collaborate better, and to recognize relationships, the detail in the big picture. There is one overriding benefit that umbrellas everything that I've said already, and that is mind mapping will save you time. Time, the most precious resource for any living being, the one thing we can't get back once it's gone. The other thing that a lot of literature about mind mapping seems to forget is that they are cool. They're really fun and they're very, very inspiring. So why do this course, you might ask? Well, like any skill, it takes time to become an expert or even just proficient. This course will fast track you to mind mapping mastery. Although mind mapping isn't so complex as a concept, the key to great mind mapping is speed and clarity. This course will take you through the background and history of mind mapping. This will lead nicely on to the science of why mind maps work so effectively, and then the concepts and principles and what key methods produce the best results. The second part of the course will explore the mind mapping software Xmind, a fantastic, feature-rich, intuitive and awesome piece of software. By the end of the course, you'll be totally comfortable producing amazing mind maps with lightning speed. The only thing you can possibly regret is that you didn't discover mind mapping earlier. You'll also end up creating mind maps on how to fill the extra hours in your day from the time you've saved doing mind mapping, the holidays, the time with the family, learning stuff and chilling out. So take the plunge, you won't regret it.